If a traumatic injury, arthritis, or nerve problem like carpal tunnel syndrome is affecting your quality of life, choosing the right doctor can make a big difference. This short video, presented by Health Connections at WWLP.com, will introduce you to leading specialists at the Hand Center of Western Massachusetts. We are the region's only medical practice dedicated exclusively to care of the hand, upper extremity, and shoulder. Let's meet the doctors who will tell us more about the practice and about the Hand Center's specific area of expertise.
The concept behind having a hand center is that you have one office where you just have specialists in the hand and upper extremity.
The Hand Center of Western Massachusetts is the only practice in the area that's dedicated solely to the treatment of the hand, the upper extremity, and the shoulder. We treat patients of all ages, and we deal with problems that range from congenital abnormalities on one end of the spectrum all the way to arthritis, fractures, and carpal tunnel syndrome on the other.
I've had 3 surgeries at the Hand Center, 2 on my hands and 1 on my left shoulder, and then I've had in-office procedures that have to do with older age, just the wearing of joints out, but the surgeries were in response to accidents that I had.
Well, I have to say that from the reception gal to the nurses to dealing with the doctors, every one of them was more than kind.
We have our office, we have our staff who give wonderful support. We have therapists next door who are trained in hand therapy. And so if there's a problem, we need to speak to the therapist about something that's going on, we can walk over there and see them. If there's a question about what the next step is, we're able to go over and talk with them. We have x-ray here, and we have access to laboratory services in our building. We have a surgery center that's right downstairs.
I have to say that we have a great office staff. They really make the extra effort to accommodate our patients, whether it's filling out forms, scheduling surgery, or even navigating through the insurance process. They take what could be a really difficult process and they make it just that much easier.
We perform the majority of our surgery at the Pioneer Valley Surgery Center, which is located in the first floor of our office building. We also perform a large amount of surgery at Bay State Medical Center. We also have privileges at Cooley Dickinson Hospital, at Mercy Medical Center, and at Mary Lane Hospital.
The surgical center is just wonderful. I mean, to not have to go through the aggravation of checking in at the hospital and everything else. And once you're inside, you'd never know that you weren't in a surgical center. You're in. Everybody's professional, they take care of you, but then you're out again, and it's not all the aggravation of getting checked in and checked back out and all the rest of it, so it's very nice.
One of the nice things about our office is that we, as physicians, see and care for all the patients.
One of the most unique things about the Hand Center that sets us apart from other practices in the area is that at every visit, you get to see your surgeon. So that means that we take the time to explain what the problem is and how best to treat it. And that means that at every visit, when you come into the office, you're going to get your questions answered by your own doctor. And I think in the end, that makes all the difference to our patients. I think one of the most gratifying things about being a hand and upper extremity surgeon is seeing a patient that I've treated and having them get back to their regular activities and get back to the most important things in their life.
Our goal at the Hand Center is to see patients as expeditiously as possible. When patients call with an urgent issue, we try to see them in an appropriate time frame, both to diagnose their problem early and to get them treated as quickly as possible.
We don't have our nurses or physician's assistants do the bulk of the work. We do the bulk of the work. So someone comes to see us, they come to see a physician. They don't come to see someone who maybe knows something and has to go ask someone else what to do.
So I'm very happy with them. I'm very happy with the whole thing. I'm very happy with the doctors at the Hand Center. I'm happy with the rehabilitation that goes with it. I'm happy that the surgery center is right downstairs and all the girls there are wonderful.
The level of expertise that you get there, we in Western Mass have always had to go to Boston or New York to get that level of expertise, but they're incredibly professional. It's not hyperbole to say that they are the best of the best. They are board-certified surgeons, which you just don't get any better than that.
offering the most advanced surgical techniques for complex issues and a range of highly effective non-invasive treatments for common conditions. This video has touched on the highlights of the Hand Center of Western Massachusetts. For more details or to schedule an appointment, call 413-733-2204. Discover the benefits of specialty care. Explore our website to learn why the physicians and staff at the Hand Center of Western Massachusetts can offer caring treatment and the hope for recovery for your problems of the hand, upper extremity, and shoulder.